Hello everyone, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video I will show you the solution for Instagram story black screen problem. So a lot of Instagram users has been reported that after uploading Instagram story there's a black screen problem. So here in this full video I will show you some solutions. Please watch this full video to learn how it works. First of all, I will go to Instagram to show you the problem. What is the exact problem? Now when you open the story, then it will show 2 or 3 photos. Then it will show black screen. So this is the problem. Now we'll see the solution. Now let's begin. For the very first solution is to clear cache and clear data of Instagram. So now go to Instagram app info on your device, and here you will find the option for clear cache and clear data. Now simply tap on clear cache and clear data to fix this issue. After doing this, still the problem is there and the solution isn't working, then we'll see second solution, and the second solution is to update the app on your device. So first of all, go to Play Store or App Store on your device and here search for Instagram. Now tap on Update to update the Instagram app on your device. Once you update it to the latest version, then it will surely works. If still the problem is there, then please uninstall the application on your device and then reinstall it, and make sure that you are reinstall the old version of this application. To install the old version, first of all go to any web browser and here search for old version of Instagram. Then here tap on first link older version of Instagram. Now here scrolling down to find older version of Instagram. Go to the bottom of the page and here tap on last version. Next here tap on download to download the older version of this Instagram. So that's how you can fix the issue for Instagram story black screen problem. I hope this video will helpful for all of you. If you still have any query, then you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.